This video will show you how to start lucid dreaming the right way, not with fake hacks, and not with techniques that ruin your sleep. Lucid dreaming is when you realize you're dreaming while it's happening, and once you're lucid, whatever you imagine becomes possible. Flying, teleporting, creating entire worlds. But before any of that, there's one part most people skip: actually becoming lucid. In this video, I'm going to explain how to start lucid dreaming properly, with a simple setup, a 3-step process, and a few tips that make a huge difference. Let's begin. Preparation. The preparation is simple, and it only takes a couple of minutes. First, make your room sleep-friendly. Dim the lights, put your phone away, remove anything distracting. Next, calm your mind before sleeping. You don't need to meditate perfectly. Just sit or lie down, close your eyes, and let your thoughts slow down naturally. And one important thing, if you have a dream journal, keep it near your bed. If you don't, that's okay. But if you want to get serious about lucid dreaming, this is one of the most important habits you can build. Now let's move into the process. The 3-step process. Step 1. Dream recall. Lucid dreaming starts with remembering your dreams. If you don't remember your dreams, you can't become lucid in them. When you wake up in the morning, don't grab your phone right away. Stay still for a moment and ask yourself, what was I dreaming about? Then write down anything you remember. Even a single sentence is enough. You can write it in a dream journal or in the Notes app on your phone. This trains your brain to pay attention to dreams, and over time, your dream memory will get stronger. Step 2. Set an intention. Before you fall asleep, tell yourself a simple phrase like, "Tonight I will realize I'm dreaming." Repeat it calmly without forcing it. You're not trying to convince yourself aggressively. You're just planting the idea. This helps your mind recognize the moment you're inside a dream. Step 3. Visualize lucidity. Now imagine a dream scene. It can be a real dream you remember, or just a place you know well. Picture yourself inside it and imagine the exact moment you realize that this is a dream. Then imagine what you would do next. Something simple like looking at your hands or touching the environment. This mental practice teaches your brain what to do when lucidity happens for real. 3 important tips. Tip 1. Keep it positive. Avoid using negative phrases like, "I will not fail." Your brain focuses on the word fail instead. Use short positive phrases like, "I will realize I'm dreaming." Tip 2. Don't rush control. Many beginners become lucid and immediately try to do something extreme. That excitement wakes them up. Your first goal should be awareness. Stability comes next. Control comes later. Tip 3. Be consistent. Lucid dreaming is a skill. Some people experience it quickly. Others take longer. But almost everyone improves if they stay consistent. Give this process at least a week before judging it. If you want, I can make a video on what to do inside a lucid dream so you don't wake up instantly, and simple reality checks that actually work. If you want to learn lucid dreaming the right way, consider subscribing. Good night and good luck.